Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today I have for you a new product that's sure to grab the attention of anyone following behind you when you hit the brakes. This is the rapid fire third brake light from Hero for the 2016 to 2020 Camaro. Adding some safety and visibility to the back half of your Camaro, the third brake light is equipped with a bright red LEDs to make sure that you stand out in traffic. The rapid fire function will pulse about 8 times each time the brake pedal is pushed. It is sure to grab the attention of anyone following behind you in traffic. Now the rapid fire function is optional, which means you don't have to run it the whole time if you don't want to. You could simply just want a solid brake light that is going to give you a smoked look. The switch we have here is going to control the rapid fire function. A simple on-off toggle switch will give us full control over how the brake light functions. Either way, this kit is a full plug-and-play installation. The tools we're going to be using today are going to be a trim removal tool, T15 Torx, an extension, a ratchet, and a razor to create an opening to mount the switch. We're going to start by opening our trunk and removing the trunk liner. Remove the 7 pushpin connectors and the trunk latch cover. Once you are ready to remove the liner, guide the escape latch and wiring harness so that it will be clear of the liner. With the liner set aside, we can now access the screws on the back side of the factory third brake light. Remove the 4 screws and clips. Doing this will loosen the housing from the trunk lid. The brake light is held on with tape, so we will have to push the housing from the back side to completely loosen it from the trunk lid. We will have to clean the surface of the trunk lid clear of any excess tape left behind from the factory third brake light. This will give us a clean surface to mount the new kit in place. Then we can take the new housing and plug the factory harness into our Hero connector. Now we can take the wiring, feed it through the slot, and install the new housing. You will want to remove the wax paper from the back side of the new light. Then you can push the housing in place. Once you hear the clip pop in place, your installation of the housing is done. Moving over to the switch installation, you're going to want to find a spot in the felt liner to make a hole to mount the switch for easy access. We're going to then take our razor and cut an X mark in the liner. Then we can push a hole straight through and install the switch. Doing this will allow you to control the rapid fire function with the flip of a switch. With the switch reconnected, we can then reinstall the liner back in the factory location using the 7 pushpin connectors and the latch cover. Alright guys, now with everything put back together, we can now choose which function we want to have for our Camaro. The rapid fire function will get you a bit more attention from any possibly distracted drivers, and the standard function will give us the factory style look with a smoke finished housing. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.